Now I do welcome and greet Assalamu alaikum everybody here once again. Okay, my dear students, in this session again, it is an online assessment or the mock exam, or in other words, it is a viva regarding the syllabus you had been taught earlier on, the syllabus belonging to CLO2, PLO2, and this syllabus belonging to pertaining to CLO2, PLO2, you know, that is about the field work and how to solve the problem. Problem solving techniques are there that you will solve a problem. डियर आफ्ताब, अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम आपके सामने मैंने रखी उसके एक दीवार है, दीवार की डायमेंशन अगर आपके सामने रख दी जाए, अगर आपसे कह दिया जाए कि भी लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल इज x एंड द विड्थ ऑफ द वॉल इज y and the height of the wall is z, okay, do calculate the number of bricks, okay?
Yes sir.
And you can now alhamdulillah calculate the number of the bricks. आफ्ताब बेटा, अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, इसको आपने सॉल्व करना है C++ की अंदर एक प्रोग्राम बना के. Are you getting?
Right sir.
Are you getting बढ़िया?
Yes sir.
तो बेटा इसके लिए मैंने आपको काम कराया हुआ है. अच्छा मिस्टर आफ्ताब, I want to take you live over here for the online assessment and mock exam, or you take it as a viva. Are you ready for the viva?
Yes sir, ready sir.
And it is from the CLO2, PLO2, all right?
Okay sir.
Okay my dear, for you. Okay, the students are alhamdulillah with us. Beta, all of you will enjoy the today's session. You will get to know how your online exam will be there. Okay? Mr. Aftab, are you ready there?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir, ready.
Okay, now say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
Okay, dear. Now, from the CLO2, PLO2, the first question over to you is, what happens when the following C++ statement has been executed? And the statement is, the C++ statement is what? Do read that one here.
Float XYZ semicolon.
And this statement is about what? This statement is about the declaration of a variable. The name of the variable is x, y, and z. X, y, z.
Yes sir.
X, y, z is the name of the variable, and the data type. And the data type that we have specified over here is the float. Do
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, Mr. Aftab, the question
Yes,
is over to you. If this statement, that is the declaration statement of the variable XYZ of data type float, if it has been executed, what will happen? Tell me.
सर ये हमें आउटपुट देगा.
How?
Execute होके सर. After execution.
Anybody else there? Mr. Irtaza? बेटा जब एक वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करते हैं और वो स्टेटमेंट जब एग्जीक्यूट होती है तो क्या होता है बेटा, ये पूछना है. तो यहाँ आपके स्क्रीन पर सामने नजर आ रहे हैं फ्लोट XYZ सेमीकोलन. बेटा ये एक वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करने की स्टेटमेंट है. जब ये एग्जीक्यूट होगी तो क्या होगा? Mr. Aftab, have you
सर
forgotten?
ये वैल्यूज डाटा टाइप में, सर ये वैल्यू इस डाटा टाइप में स्टोर हो जाएगी?
No.
यस सर, अब
Why
आ गया
did
सर.
I did tell you, whenever the statement of the declaration, whenever the declaration statement of a variable has been executed, what happens over
यस
there?
सर.
A memory location will be allocated, and the name of the variable and name of the location, memory location will be same as that of the name of the variable. बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था, अगर कोई वेरिएबल है आप डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं और आप C++ की स्टेटमेंट है, ठीक है, अगर वो
Yes, sir.
एग्जीक्यूट होता है तो क्या होता है, एक मेमोरी लोकेशन अलोकेट हो जाएगी भाई. क्या हो जाएगा?
मेमोरी लोकेशन एलोकेट हो जाएगी सर.
तो एक मेमोरी लोकेशन भाईजान एलोकेट हो जाएगी XYZ. ऑलराइट, नाउ डू
Yes,
टेल
sir.
मी, यहां पर बेटा एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया आपने, कितनी मेमोरी लोकेशंस एलोकेट हो जाएंगी?
एक सर.
उसका नाम क्या होगा?
XYZ.
ओके, नाउ मिस्टर आफ्ताब,
Yes, sir.
do read the question.
What happened when the following C++ statement has been executed?
Okay, the statement is before you.
Int XYZ semicolon.
Okay, it is a declaration statement of three variables. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in this way, three variables you are going to declare. Of data
Yes, sir.
type int, integer.
Integer.
How many
sir.
variables are there?
3, sir.
And do tell me, if this statement will be executed, what will happen?
सर 3 मेमोरी लोकेशन एलोकेटेड हो जाएंगी सर हमारे पास.
3 memory locations will be allocated. You answered over there. The correct answer, you have told that it is a declaration statement of 3 variables. When this statement will be executed, 3 memory locations will be allocated for these 3 variables respectively. Okay? And the names of these 3 variables and memory locations will be X, Y, and Z respectively. Okay, Mr. Aftab. Now, do read the question.
What happens when the following C++ statement has been executed?
And the C++ statement is what?
See out Pakistan Zindabad semicolon.
Within double quotation mark.
Yes, sir. Pakistan Zindabad.
Okay, a string is there written. Pakistan Zindabad. And this
Yes, sir.
statement does what? If it will be executed, this cout statement will be executed, what will be done?
सर हमारे पास पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद प्रिंट होके आ जाएगा.
कहां पर आएगा?
आउटपुट आ जाएगी.
Where it will be? कहां पर प्रिंट होके आएगा भाई? कागज पर आएगा? कहां पर आएगा?
सर अगर तो हम D++ में कर रहे हैं तो हमारी
भाई अब ये देखिए C++ में ही है, तो क्या होगा? कहां प्रिंट होगा? बोलो.
तो सर हमारे प्रोग्राम में प्रिंट होके आ जाएगा.
भाई प्रोग्राम में तो होगा, लेकिन प्रिंट कहां? एक पेपर के ऊपर होगा या स्क्रीन पर होगा?
स्क्रीन पर होगा सर.
That is what yaar, when the cout statement will be executed, okay, when this statement will be executed, what will happen?
Pakistan Zindabad
will be displayed onto the screen, monitor screen. And for you, the monitor screen, I am presenting you before you. Now, how do you feel, Mr. Aftab?
Yes, sir.
मैंने आपके लिए यहाँ पर मॉनिटर भी बना दिए हैं.
Monitors, yes, sir. मॉनिटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर प्रिंट होके आ रहा
Okay, my dear. Aftab,
है। यस सर।
you read the question here.
What happens when the following C++ code has been executed?
Okay. Do you read? What is it?
Explain statement wise.
Okay, you will have to explain statement wise. All right. The code, C++ code is what? Do read.
Int age semicolon.
It means we have declared a variable named age of data type integer.
A integer.
Next statement.
Cout enter your age.
Okay, in the cout statement, a string within double quotation mark, that is enter your age. All right.
Right sir.
Semicolon is there. Next statement.
Age से के C in age sir.
C in age. All right. Statement wise execution of the C++ code that I am going to tell you, and you will have to give me the company over here. Mr.
Right,
Aftab,
sir.
will
Right,
you
sir.
give me a company over here?
Yes sir.
I will tell you the execution of the C++ code statement wise. And the code, C++ code is before you. And you are going to give me a company over here to execute
Yes,
this code statement wise. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Aftab, are you ready?
Yes
then?
sir. Yes sir.
Okay. The first statement is what?
Int age.
Okay, dear student, Mr. Aftab, when
Yes, sir.
this statement will be executed, what will be done? What will happen?
सर हमारे पास मेमोरी लोकेशन एलोकेट हो जाएगी सर.
And the name of the memory location will be what?
Age sir.
Okay, dear students, all of you do listen me. As this one int age semicolon is a declaration statement of a variable named age of data type integer. All right. When this statement will be executed, what will be done? I do tell you that a memory location will be allocated for the variable named age. All right. And what was the next statement over there?
Cout enter your age.
Cout enter your age. When
Yes,
this statement, that is cout enter your age, equals, when this statement will be executed, what will happen over there? Do tell me, Mr. Aftab.
सर ये हमारे पास आउटपुट आ जाएगी प्रिंटर के ऊपर वो मॉनिटर के ऊपर सर.
Okay.
Enter your
As
age.
we all know about the cout statement, that it is the console output. It is used to display the output onto the monitor screen. Whatever you will write, whatever you have written, that is enclosed within double quotation mark, that will be printed as it is. What has been written over there within double quotation mark?
Enter your age.
Enter your
And assignment
equals.
Assignment operator.
No. Assignment operator is not over there. It is equal sign over here right now, as it is double quotation mark, within the double quotation mark. All right.
All right, sir.
Enter your age equals. This will be printed, displayed onto what? Monitor.
Monitor, sir.
And for you all, I over here, the monitor will appear with no seconds. Okay. Onto the monitor, what is over there, yaar? Written.
Enter your age is equal.
Your age. Now two statements have been executed. Mr. Aftab.
Yes, sir.
Third statement, you just need to just read over there.
C in age.
My dear students, do listen me carefully. When this scene statement will be executed, what will happen? You need to look at the monitor. All right? When you will do look at the monitor screen over here, do you see a cursor is blinking, Mr. Aftab?
Yes, sir.
A
Yes, sir.
cursor is
Yes,
blinking
sir.
over there.
Yes, sir.
When the scene statement is under execution, what will be done here? You look at the monitor screen. A cursor will blink again
Sir,
and again.
एक
And
cursor blink करेगा.
listen me. Why does it so? Why does it happen? Okay, the blinking of the cursor requires us to give input using the keyboard. Okay, are you getting my
Okay, sir.
idea?
Yes, sir.
When the scene statement is under execution, you go on looking at the monitor screen, a cursor will blink, okay, and go on blinking, all right? And it requires us to give input using the keyboard, all right? Now, I am going to use a keyboard over here, and I'm going to type over there 100. And as I have typed 100, that will be displayed onto what? The monitor screen. All right, my dear. And
Right, sir.
after typing the 100, then I again, after typing 100, I do type the enter key. After typing 100, I do type the enter key. When I will type the enter key, that 100 that I have typed earlier on will be stored in the variable that we have specified in the scene statement. That age in the memory location of the age variable 100 will be stored. All right.
Yes, sir.
That was all about the story. Now, online assessment or the mock exam is going to be started. What is meant by a preprocessor directive? I do take any student. Mr. Irtaza, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Irtaza,
Yes, sir.
do read what is written before you.
Sir, the question is, what is meant by processive directives?
Preprocessor directive. Do you know about this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about this.
Sir, processor directives are, we can say, are the types of lines which includes in a program. It begins with characters.
Okay. Be there with us. Mr. Aftab, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do tell me what is meant by a preprocessor directive.
सर प्री प्रोसेसिव डायरेक्टिव्स वो होते हैं वो लाइंस होती हैं जो हैश टैग के साथ स्टार्ट होती हैं सर जिनके आगे हैश टैग का साइन आता है
Okay. These instructions begin with the hash sign. And what about this? Mo, do read this one and explain this one. Mr. Aftab.
These are the special instructions written for the compiler.
Move to next. Okay. Preprocessor directive begins with option A is using, option B is main, option C is hash sign, option D is curly bracket. Mr. Aftab.
Option C, sir, hash sign.
Okay, do I lock that one?
Yes, sir.